Oh, hi there everyone. So I am very sick today and just cuddling with my little boy. He's just sleeping. Look at how freaking adorable he is. Oh my gosh, Kat, are you in love with him?
I'm so in love, and he's way cuter in person than in pictures.
He definitely is.
His personality is just like the sweetest little puppy ever.
Oh, it's a little sweetheart. Yeah, Kat came over to come say hi and help out with the pup. Yeah. But I just been like a sick little boy today. It's been so tough, like, taking care of a dog when you're sick, because it's like basically having a baby, and like, oh my gosh. But it's all worth it, because I get to cuddle with him. How precious.
He peed in the bed earlier.
Yeah. When does that stop?
Kava's done that. He did it last week, so. But it was because he was sleeping in my bed overnight, and I forgot to take him out before we went to bed, so.
Yeah, that's why the duvet is off. It's because he peed in the bed. Puppy pee, yum.
Yes.
Gonna probably take him to the vet to get shots later. Just have to find a vet that can do that. Alright, so I've managed to make it out of bed, and I'm actually headed into the vet with Mr. Wolfia. Wolfia, are you excited? Your first vet appointment! He's probably gonna hate it because he's gonna get shots, so hopefully he doesn't associate that with going to the cars, but we're going here. Boy, it's gonna be okay, right? It's gonna be all good, and then Chewy will like you. Look here, there's a bunch of puppies. What do you think, bud? You wanna go play with them? It's like, I'm just gonna sit this one out, maybe. Alright, buddy, let's see how much you weigh. Alright. Well, 2.6?
That's kilograms.
Oh. 5.8 pounds? Oh my gosh, how much food did you eat today? Alright, well, if we're in the room right now, it's gonna be okay. Nothing bad's gonna happen. I'll be here, okay, bud? It's just gonna be a little shot. And then it's gonna be over, and then I'll get you a treat, okay? Okay. Wolf, look at you. You're up on the thing. Oh my god, guys, so freaking cute. He's being so good. He's just sitting here. They put a thermometer up his butt, and he didn't even flinch. He's just like, yeah, whatever. Do whatever you want to me. I'm just a cute little pup. But yeah, he has a good temperature. It's all good. Now the doctor's gonna come in and see how he's doing. Get a full physical on you, bud. Okay? Guys, they took Wolf from me. He's gone. Wolf, come back. He's gonna go get his shots. I guess I can't be there with him for it. So sad. But he's a tough boy. He's gonna make it through it. I wish I could hold his little paw while it was happening. Poor little guy, but he's a brave one. He'll be fine. Yeah, PetSmart time. This little boy did so good. He got his shots. He was a very healthy boy, and he didn't even like cry or anything. So we're gonna go get him some more toys. You excited, little boy? He's just like so docile. I love it. But yeah, clean bill of health. He got some shots. He got a flea repellent. I guess he wasn't too young for it, but yay, they're gonna love you in here. They're gonna say, oh my god, he's so cute, I love him. Look at that's gonna be you in like a couple days. Yeah. So we are in the toy aisle, and he is basically in heaven. I can't let him down because, well, like, there's other dogs here and I don't want him catching anything because he just got his shots today. Didn't know that you're not supposed to be socializing until you get them all. Then you could catch something. But getting him a bunch of new toys, some big boy toys, and I should probably get you some shampoo. Oh, Big Yawn! Big Yawn. What do you think about that shampoo? That's you! Some conditioner. Grumpy dog. Don't be grumpy. And stay little forever, okay? Well, update on the puppy. Remember how I said he had a clean bill of health? Well, he threw up everything that he ate today, and he keeps throwing up. Poor little guy. It's so sad. It's okay, buddy. I'm not sure what caused it. I did some research because his stomach was getting really bloated. So I think he does have worms. And he got a shot today that prevents certain kind of worms, but I took a stool sample of his poop, and I'm going to bring that in tomorrow. David. Let's see if he has any other weird worms. And if so, give him another shot for those, but I don't like seeing him throw up. It's really sad. Hi guys, so it's the next morning. This little guy's doing better. Just sleeping. So I woke up this morning because of him, of course. But last night I tweeted that I was like spitting out blood, and I thought it was just like a one-time thing, but this morning there was a lot more, and then I was just like, oh, whatever, like, and I wasn't just like, whatever, I was like, I need to find a doctor, but then I was like, I'm so tired, like, I just need to, like, fall back asleep, so I was lying down, and then just blood started, like, pouring out of my mouth onto my pillow, and it scared the crap out of me, so I, like, started, like, crying, like, hyperventilating, and, I think I've just been, like, super emotional because, like, being sick, lack of food, lack of sleep, I don't know, it's just been, like, I don't know, it makes me super extra emotional, but anyways, I'm gonna go to the doctor's today, hopefully get that resolved, but it was so cute when I was crying. He was, like, freaking out in his cage, and I, like, let him out, and he was just, like, licking my face all over, and he was just like, I'm here, Dad, don't cry. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, try to go back to sleep for a little bit, and then go to the doctor's, but that's it for today. I will see you all tomorrow. Good day, bye. You giving kisses to this dog? Oh, hi, what's your name?
It's a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
Yeah, I don't. How old is he? Like
2 months.
Oh, this
hey.
is right from his mama.
Hi.
Okay, yeah.
He's like smelling my camera.
Okay. He has a thing with puppies. I don't know what this is about.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, look at him just sitting. He's like, hi.